So I'm on my way to Ibadan. I previously did a video from Lagos to Abeokuta using the train, the Nigerian railway, system. So I'm backing on another trip and I'm going to Ibadan. So if you missed my video on the Lagos Abeokuta, I'll share a link here so you can watch it and then find out everything that you need to know. But today I'm going to Ibadan and I'm leaving on the 4 p.m. train. So I think the time to Ibadan will probably be 2.5 to 3 hours. So I got here early. Like I said, the tickets are not available online. You have to get here to the train station to buy your ticket, and you cannot pay. I don't think that they do have POS services for it. You have to pay cash. I got a business class ticket and I paid 4,000, for the business class to Ibadan. So I'll be sharing videos of the entire journey. So do make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you in Ibadan. Working. Why are they shaming us now?
valuable for only one journey. It is an offense to recycle the use of a ticket.